In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your card on the Chase app. So what we want to do is just log in into our Chase app. So just open up the application here and we have to log in with our account. Now, once we have logged into the Chase mobile app, I'll just refer us to this article here. So after we have signed in, we will choose the account we want to lock or unlock. After we have chosen the account, click on the three dots menu. And under account services, you will have lock and unlock your card. Once we have selected lock and unlock your card, we can move the toggle switch to change the status of the card which we have selected. You will have a list of all of your cards which you have added to your Chase app, and then like I said, you just toggle or untoggle these switches to lock or accordingly unlock these specific cards on your Chase app. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.